another problem that's a little bit similar. It actually is scaled down a bit. So this one was the tough one. This one's a little bit easier, and here it is. What we're going to do is write the formula. Why not? Because that helps us remember it. And so we have the integral of u dv, which equals uv minus the integral of v du. And we're going to figure some stuff out. So they're asking us to determine the value of this when they gave us that. So sometimes when we read it, we're like, wait a minute, given this value and the table of values below, how am I going to use this to get that? Well, that's what I want. So let's just start working on this. Okay, so what I recommend we do is just kind of come over here on the side. Let's use a different color this time. Let's go blue. And I'm going to identify u dv, du, I should say. U and then leads to du, and dv leads to v. And again, highlighting, I need to identify this, and it leads to the other ones. So u is the thing that should get simpler. That's a really ugly variable u there. We're going to fix that. I just don't like the way it looks. Not to shame it, but there we go. Much better. Okay. U is the thing that gets simpler. If I take the derivative of f prime, I get f double prime. Don't play that game. That's just x. Then the derivative of that is 1 dx. Well, if I have x being u, then dv is f prime x dx. So f prime x dx, the integral of that is just f of x. Okay, so we have identified the parts. We're going to come over here and fill some stuff in. And in the process of doing that, we will probably need this and this. Again, overwhelming when you realize, wait a minute, they gave me all this, and how am I going to use it to find that? Who cares? Just start with this. This will work out in the process. The stuff they gave you will become necessary later. Just start the process. So let's do it. The integral from 3 to 7, this is a definite integral of x f prime of x dx equals uv, okay, x f of x, definite integral, that's from 3 to 7. Oh, we're going to need some stuff here. Minus the integral from 3 to 7 of v du, f of x dx. Okay? Our job is to determine the value of this, which is the left side. So we're just going to keep going with this. I think we can plug a 7 in. So we'll have 7, then f of 7, minus 3f of 3. Okay, that's 7 plugged in, 3 plugged in, fundamental theorem of calculus here, minus, oh my goodness, I got to integrate that. Nope. No, I don't. They told me this is negative 19, so minus negative 19. We're almost done. 7 times f of 7, which is 4, minus 3 times f of 3, which is negative 2, and then plus 19. That gives me 28 plus 6 plus 19, which is 53.